This is one of Sligo's most protected areas, and it could soon be overshadowed by a massive new bridge. Plans for the Eastern Garvogue Bridge were first approved back in 2009. Now, 15 years later, the €50 million project is finally moving forward despite serious environmental concerns. The River Garvogue is home to protected wildlife, including swans that return here every year. But residents say the risks to these birds by the structure haven't been fully addressed. New ecological studies are underway, but key environmental assessments haven't been updated since June 2023, including key EU habitat checks. And locals warn the impact won't stop at the river. They say the bridge could funnel tens of thousands of vehicles into quiet residential streets. Even engineers are questioning whether this is a leftover project from the Celtic Tiger being forced into the present. Sligo County Council says it has carried out extensive public engagement and insists the concerns over the bridge have been addressed. Read our full investigation on thejournal.ie.